This is my 32-year-old business partner and I'm helping him become a professional football player. In this video, we will first be doing a match analysis.
We will also be going through a psychological performance plan because I am 32 and training every single day is just not possible.
Then second, we'll plan a session.
We'll work on ABCs, which is the agility, balance, speed, coordination.
And then implement it. Okay, much better but और सीधा होना चाहिए.
The first step in the psychological performance plan is to build a vision, regardless of if it is possible or not. So my vision is to shoot like Ronaldo, pass like Bruno, and dribble like Neymar. So what do you think of the idea?
I don't like it. Before I give you my assessment, can you tell me what did you think about your game?
So I know there's a lot of things that are wrong. Generally, dribbling is bad, receiving is bad. Either that's like on the ground or in the air, it's just horrible. So shooting is not a good technique. I don't get enough power. I don't get accuracy. I can make long passes. I have good vision.
तो अभी जैसे हम लिख रहे थे, one is the positioning and second is the movement of the ball. ठीक है, and recovery runs, transition, how quick you can do that. A lot of endurance issue, so we need to work on that. We'll work on ABCs, which is the agility, balance, speed, coordination, and along with this we'll do a little bit of football conditioning, but everything will be timed.
So we put 2 cones and then we just have to do a zigzag 8 movement. So we start, we go. And you see I'm turning very close to the marker. That's how you have to do it. Start. So you see मैं straight भाग रही हूँ और फिर side पे जा रही हूँ. तेरा side movement है हल्का सा.
हाँ.
यहाँ पर बीच में you are already preparing कि तू side पे जाएगा. So तेरा stepping is already on the side. You have to go straight and then turn. Go. और सीधा. Okay, much better but और सीधा होना चाहिए.
और सीधा.
बस.
ये गया ना तू यहाँ पर. अब इसको बॉल मिली ना, सो यू हैव टू क्विकली रिकवर. इसी उसको जगह मिल गई. तो वो जो तेरा प्लेयर आया है, he had to go out of his position to cover and the ball went, so you went to press, but he played back, right? So now this guy went to press. So now if you don't drop, then this space got created and he only went into this space, right? And then this player of yours came up to press. So what happens, because you didn't, this was your thing to fall back, because when the ball had come back here and he was pressing, you should have covered, so then he would have been in his space, okay? But because you didn't, he had to come and press this person. But now as a team, there is a huge space which has been created and there is nobody in the center.
Okay, markers रखने हैं एक यार्ड पे. तो 1 yard and we put a marker. Then another yard. ठीक है, तो अब shuffle करना है. ठीक है, markers के बीच में toes पे करेंगे, knees हल्के से bend रहेंगे. ठीक है, body हल्की सी a little bend. ठीक है, so we start. We go 1 step in, other step in. 1 step out, other step out. Same, 1 step in, other foot in. So now I'll show it a little bit faster. Okay, ready? So we go faster, as fast as you can.
In our defensive shape, we say that there has to be optimum distance between between you and your other teammates. If you're too compact, that's also a disadvantage, because right now what is happening, एक तो तुम दोनों के बीच में coordination नहीं है. In a 6-7 aside, there's usually, and especially if you're playing a 1-2-3-1, दो ऊपर हाई ले रहे हैं, उसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. Then you'll be outnumbered in your half. Let's say the ball is here, okay? In this case, all 4 of them have, recovered back from your team. Now the 2 of you are here. So ideally, you should also recover, because you guys are playing a 1-2-3-1 3, 1. Okay. If you are in this position, then of course you stay high. But right now, because you're playing a left wing, you also have to recover back, because when the ball is in your defending third, then you have to fall back in a 7v7. And this guy also has to drop a little in the half line, along the half line to the right side. And if the ball is here, then he has to shift and be on this side. But you definitely have to stop. If you stay here, then these people are free. So we have to drop. We can't walk around here.
Same concept. On toes, knees a little bent, body a little bit bent. Okay. Right in, right out, left out. Right in, right out, left out. Just like that. Okay. Now I'll show it a little faster. Right in, left out, right in, left out, right in, left out, right in, left out. Go. आवाज आ रही है. आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए. It has to be that you're very quick on your feet. Okay. ये जो आवाज आ रही है ना, ऐसे वाली, ये नहीं आनी चाहिए. It is quick. You're on your toes. You're on your toes. Go. On toes more. Yeah. Let's go. Jog. Go.
Up other side.
Yeah, other side. Go.
But you're not recovering. You see all these other boys, they're mostly recovering. If you see the time, it's just been 5 minutes. That's why I was asking you, is it a one-off game? Because abhi itna time hua nahi hai, and the body language is such that it feels you're really tired.
Yeah, it's no warm up. उसकी वजह से ही है. Yeah, his heartbeat went too high too fast. ये डालनी पड़ेगी footage की. मैं ऐसे एकदम से आ रहा हूँ जब सब हो चुका है.
So this is a square. So we'll start with this medium pace jog, 50%, then a sprint, then a jog, and then a sprint. So I'll show you how. Okay, let's go. So 50% quick turn and sprint. Then a jog, stay close to the lines, and a sprint. And we keep continuing like this. So stay close to the corner markers. So it's a quick sharp turn.
Now coming technically first starts receiving 50-50 balls पे जाना है. Aerial ball control. Now let's talk about what we need to do on the pitch. We'll do wall practice for the receiving, but usme also we'll time you. So instead of you just doing taking a wall and practicing passing the ball to the wall and then receiving, so it cannot be casual. So anything which you're practicing cannot be casual. You have to time yourself, that maybe you say that okay, in 1 minute how many times I pass the ball to the wall and receive, and how many good touches am I getting. So it has to be a very intensive pass receive, and then okay, after a minute you take maybe a few seconds break, and then you go for your second set. But it cannot be that for 30 minutes you're just passing, because the body language we need to work on and change. That it has to be that you're becoming a player which is on your toes, you're ready, you're agile, you pass and receive, and that's the kind of mentally also you gotta get ready, and physically also your body should be that every football action which you're doing, it has to be in a higher intensity and in a proactive motion.
Okay, so we are working on our first touch. Firstly, we always have to be ready on toes. As the ball is coming, we either move right, we move left, go up or go behind, but always alert. So we pass the ball and we receive. We pass the ball and we receive. And we pass and we receive.
Okay, and the last thing which we'll do is juggle and trap. So that will be for your aerial control. So we can also do that with the ball, but I'll also show you how to do that with the along with juggling it.
Okay, so basically you juggle the ball, and whenever you get a chance, you push the ball in the air high up like this, and then you have to trap it. So you see how I trapped it with the inside part, and then it should be under your control, so within your area. Okay, so I would suggest that right now, because you know you're not that comfortable with juggling and quickly, you know, pushing the ball up. So this will slow your repetition down for actually what we want to do is, which is aerial ball control. So instead of, you know, focusing on the juggle and then lifting the ball up, just take the ball in your hand and just literally just throw it and then try to
See.
trap it. Yeah. So that's the repetition which we need. Okay, so that was slightly better.
Yeah.
But the ball should be under your control.
Yeah.
So it should just stay like within like a yard. So what we can do, again, this is for anyone, you know, who's just starting out. So now we try to break it down a little bit more. So instead of pushing the ball really high, just push the ball a little and just trap. You know, so that we'll take small steps and then we go a little higher. Yeah. So this you can achieve it till here. Now push it a little bit more further. Yeah. Okay, so now you're getting comfortable with the ball. So now you can try going a little bit more higher up. Okay, so still better.
Try करता हूँ.
Yeah, this was much better.
This assessment has been so embarrassing. And step 2 of the psychological performance plan is to get a reality check, and it is bad. I'm uncoordinated, unathletic, my shoulders are rounded. I don't look like a footballer at all. My technique is horrible, and I've given myself a massive mountain to climb.
Why do you want to do this?
For me, it's an identity crisis. I used to be a much better player and now I'm not. And people who are not supposed to be better than me, now they're better than me and they're improving and I'm falling behind. And also I'm not being invited to better games, to more competitive games. मेरे को एक दो ग्रुप से निकाल भी दिया है. एक दो tournaments हैं जिन पे all my friends are playing and I'm not playing. It's an identity crisis because I believe that I can be a great player,
Right.
but it's somehow not coming out.